Hey guys, welcome to Brogrammers. So in this video, I will share something about AI. Yeah, I know this video is completely different from the videos that we are making before. So before we are making lead code problem of the day, but now I'm planning to start some informative videos so that you guys can know what is going on in the current tech market. So today I will talk about Agentic AI. Yep, I think most of you have heard this name for the first time, but don't worry, after this video you will get everything what is Agentic AI. We will make a completely web app using Agentic AI with the help of Replit, right? So let's start. So first of all, the thing that should come in your mind is what does this agentic AI means? We've heard this name generative AI. Is it similar to that? Yes. What generative AI does is it just takes the prompt. It will give you the stuff according to that prompt. Now it is your duty how you want to use that content generated by the generative AI, right? Generative AI will not take care of your code. It will not take care of your app. It will just give the content. You can use it anywhere. But the concept of agentic AI is completely different. Agentic AI will completely maintain your app. For example, I want to make a game named Rock, Paper, and Scissors. Oh yeah, you remember that when we are small, we used to play this game, right? We can make a game using code that is completely managed by agentic AI, right? So agentic AI will take care of your code. It will interact with your code. It will interact with you as well, and it will completely maintain your deployment, your database management system, your networkings, your authorization. Everything is managed by agentic AI, right? You need not to do any manual stuff, right? So quickly we will make a new game which is rock paper and scissors using Replit. So I'll share this replit.com link in the description or you can type as well, right? So after this video just go through this and make your favorite app completely by Replit by the agentic AI. You need not to code anything. Trust me, you need not to maintain anything as well. So we'll start building, right? I will go with Google. I will sign it with Google. It will take some time to log in. Yep, we are in our search bar. So basically, agentic AI uses an agent. What agent is, it will take care, it will maintain everything. I'll give you a standard example. If you want to buy a house, right? What you will do, you will find an agent of that area in which you want to buy a house, and you will tell the agent, hey agent, I want to buy this house. Please talk with the owner, or please search this type of house and talk with the owner and fix everything and just tell me the details about that house. Correct? This what this agent will do is this agent will go and talk to each and every owner in his information, and it will talk to each and every owner and take the details and give that details to the client. Correct? Same way, here there is an agent and it will take care of everything. So now you will ask that ChatGPT is also an agent. Not really. ChatGPT is an assistant. It is just assisting you what you need to do from the code. It will not maintain anything, nothing, right? It will just give you the raw code. Now you can use that code anywhere you want. So it is just an assistant tool, right? I'm talking about the free version. Please make my words right. So we will quickly type, hey, Replit, please make a game that is rock, paper, and scissors. The best part of Replit is it will help you to improve your prompt. For example, this might not be a proper prompt for this agent. So what it will do is you can generate a proper prompt to get a proper result. Right now we will click on start building, and it will make your whole code base. Yes, it is the similar code base that you used to make in the VS Code, like your directories, and you have all your database files. You have your controllers, you have your middlewares. It will does the same thing. You need not to do anything. Trust me, anything you need not to do. Now we will, and also I want to add one point. It will ask you and it will interact with you based on your request, it will give us the output. Okay, so it is asking me, would you like to add some features like we can also make this changes, but I want this guy to make it here. So in the prompt, I have not told him to add a database, but it will ask us, hey, do you want to add a database? Let's see. So it has started developing this stuff. It has created a Python file for us. We have our CSS styles. Also, like, we have not specified the language, that in which language we want our game. So it is making the game in its own language. So we have made some static pages in JavaScript, and it has installed the Flask as well. It has added the email validators. Let's see what it is doing. Also, it has installed all the dependencies that we need. And yes, I think we are good to go with our web app. So it is asking us to preview. And also you can see here, it is also asking us to add a database if you want to store our, if you want to store the players details and the score in the database. So we can do that as well. Now we'll preview our web app, and you can see this is awesome. You can generate uh, this code is very well written. The CSS is perfectly fine for me. And yes, I guess this is stone, paper, and Caesar, right? And computer wins this time. Again, computer won. It's a draw. It's also a draw. Computer wins. Again, computer wins. Oh, yes, we have one score. So, as you can see, it is perfectly working fine. Now we will ask them, hey, can you please make a database? But before this, we will reload this page because we are not getting that sidebar, I guess, right? So, and yes, after successful reload, we get our sidebar as well. So this, we saw the web app; it is working perfectly fine. So here we have many options, but before that, we'll add a database. So we'll ask the AI to add a database as well. So it will quickly add a Postgres database for us so that we can store our data. It has made the all that necessary stuff for us. So they are saying that they have temporarily made a database, and after 6 days, this database will be they will drop the database. And as you can see, our server has started. Okay, cool, nice, and everything is working fine. Okay, till now. Now we'll see some more features about this AI. Yep. And yes, this is assistant. Here you can ask this AI anything. This is not an agent. It will not make any. It will not make any up for you. Like, if you say add a database over here, or maintain my web app, it will not do that. It is just a question answer type thing, right? Here you can see your progress, that how your app is working. You have your console as well, like proper console Replit is giving us. This is nice. Then you have a web view of your web app. Wow, that is also nice. Now you have, see, this is where the most interesting things come. I know, this is not free, but we can achieve this by upgrading this. It is taking care of our whole deployment, right? Similar to Vercel. Now we have our Postgres DB right over here. It is storing the database, the table name, and there's a owner, and we can see everything. We can see our data. We can write queries as well, and all that stuff. So there are no rows because after adding database, we have not previewed our web app. So that's why we don't have any data right over here. But if we start playing games, means let's see whether we are getting or not. Okay, we'll restart the game. Okay, cool. We'll start playing. Now it's draw. Computer wins. Let's draw. I'll play until I will win. Computer wins. Oh, we won. Okay, cool. Now, if I see the database, let's reload it. Yes, you can see they are storing all the moves, right? So database is also working fine, and we have some more tools here as well. So yes, Replit is providing the authentication system as well. For that, you need to log in with the Replit account, right? Then you have database that we see just now. Then Replit has its own object sharing. It is basically similar to our AWS S3 bucket. So S3 bucket basically stores your image file, PDF, or any object that you want to store in the S3 bucket. You can store there. Also, Replit has its Replit key value storage, so that it is like a key value pair. You can store a key and a value parallel to that key, right? Yes, we have a collaboration option as well in the Replit. Here, you can chat with your colleagues or whosoever you are making this app, and you can chat with them. And we have threads as well. So threads basically helps you to share your ideas with all the group members. And yes, this is possible with the thread. And we have an assistant that we saw just now, right? We have an agent through which we just made our whole app, right? So agent is that. Then you have whole code search. For example, if I want to search, ID, then I can search in the code where we are using ID. And if you want to search, validation, so you can search validation or validator. So you will get all the keywords, and you can search anything that you want to search in the code base, right? And this is the whole Python file for this. Now we see some more tools. Yep, there's a full console available for us. This is running in this IP, so that is nice. Then you have a debugger. If you stuck there anywhere, and if you want to see how our code is running, means you can debug the code, and you can see the whole workflow of your code. You have all your dependencies, right? That is installed by the agent. Then you have a git login. Basically, it also provides you a version control as well, so that you can maintain your code. And let's see what else we have. We have networkings. Wow, this is nice. It will tell you the how fast your APIs are working. And what else we have? We have output bar, means like you can see your web view of your app. Now we have, if your code has any problems, means it will reflect in the problem section. Then you have progress. Okay, I have just missed progress. Let's go there first. Progress means it will, check your web app whether it's working fine or not. So, okay, cool. This is nice. Then you have all your secret keys, right? Right over here, you can see your secret keys. Okay, don't copy. I will delete this web app. Don't worry. And what else we have? We have a whole shell. You can write all the shell commands right over here. So we have many tools. You can, as you can see right over here, you have SSH. So basically, you can connect to any remote server that you want to, connect and interact to share your data from here and there. You can do that as well. Then you have a web view. You have all your workflows. They have some more extensions. For example, Google or Perplexity. Then UI Sketcher, all that stuff. Then what else we have? Mm, Yes, you have whole documentation of Replit. You can refer this. I'll share this link in the description box, so no worries about this. And yes, that's it. We have. You can explore. You just trust me. After this video, just make an app, any app that you want to make using this Agentic AI, and you will see the results. It's like mind blowing results you will get. You need not to manage anything. Everything is maintained by this Replit. So this is very interesting, and I fascinated from this a lot. So that's why I thought, like, let's share with our colleagues about this. And that's all we have in this video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and stay tuned. Bye bye.